How to trade stickers on Monopoly Go. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. It's just pretty quick and simple, so just listen to me because I will provide you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go! So you can get stickers when you reach some milestones in Monopoly Go. Like for example, you have leveled up or anything like that, then you will reach some stickers. So once you have some stickers, there may be a chance that you have a duplicate of them. So what you can do is just donate it or send it to a friend. So sending a sticker is the same as sending a card. So what you can do is to just click on this album right here in the bottom, and you will see here some albums that you can choose from that has stickers. So for example, this album right here. So if you have this sticker right here, then if you have this like this and you have a duplicate, you can see a +1. And if you can see the +1, then you can just click on that, and from in there you can see the option to select friend, and you can send it to them by just clicking their name and clicking on send. So once they go online, they will be able to see that you have sent them a sticker, and they should be able to thank you on this nice gesture. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!